Here we are.
Yes, we are.
Another weekend.
Metacomet.
Metacomet Trail.
Uh-huh.
I forget which section, but it's an out and back. It's chilly today.
Yeah, about 28, wind chill about 12.
No, sir, not that. It's about 30 degrees, wind chill about 24.
Yes.
That's more like it. But it's a good day for hiking. We'll heat up quick.
And up the hill we go. Up the mountain, I should say.
Up the hill, up the mountain,
Yes.
the range, the ridge. All right.
Let's go.
We'll see you up on the trail.
Whoop.
All right.
Yes, we made it up to the top.
This is the car's down there.
Well, you can't
Way
really
down
see
there,
it,
you can't really see it.
but
But this is the Metacomet Trail.
yes, it was a good up.
Yeah,
to
we
get
just
to the
came up
ridge.
to, now it's just ridge line.
Yep.
Mostly, up and down a little bit, not bad. But it's a cold day.
And it goes out how many miles?
This is gonna be like 4 miles out and back.
Yep.
So that's not too bad. Here's East Granby Land Trust stuff.
And what relics are we going to be seeing?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you said we were going to see some things like that.
No, that's across the way.
Oh,
The
gotcha.
Metacomet goes south from here,
Okay.
and then it goes north all the way to the Massachusetts border.
Awesome. So we'll be walking the ridge most of the time?
Yeah, the whole time.
The whole time.
There'll be some cliffs and stuff, some good
Views and vistas.
good cliffs. Views and vistas. Okay, whatever you want to call them. So when we get to the vistas, we'll come back on the trail.
On the trail. Whoop.
Like the finest wine, your love keeps getting better with the passing time. Tastes sweeter on my lips, countless days roll by. It can make a man grow bitter, but you've made this man better. After all these years, after all these years, I still love you. Through every single tear we've ever cried. 'Cause after all these years, it brought the two of us right here. No place I'd rather be after all these years. Takes a little faith for a man to move a mountain. Takes a whole lot more to move a man set in his ways. But there's a way about you that leads me to redemption. You always keep me moving after all these years. And after all these years, I still love you. Through every single tear we've ever cried. 'Cause after all these years, it brought the two of us right here. No place I'd rather be after all these years. I know I love you more than I did then. And I know I'll love you more tomorrow morning when I wake up beside you. Sunlight on your face. In 100 years from now, I'll look at you and say, after all these years, I still love you. Through every single tear we've ever cried. 'Cause after all these years, it brought the two of us right here. No place I'd rather be after all these years. No place I'd rather be after all these years. still want you next to me after all these years.
Well, that would be
What ridge
Simsbury. That's Talcott Mountain Ridge. I believe, because this goes all the way down to Talcott Mountain. So it's a pretty long trail. I think it's a couple 100 miles. And a good little incline here.
Yep.
Cindy's going for it first. How is it?
Good, it's easy.
Everything's easy for you. All right, I'm coming up.
Come on up. It's gonna be a pretty sight.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's almost like Mount Tom, huh?
Yeah.
Same range. Oh yeah.
So cool. I'm gonna take a picture.
There you go. Be nice to have this as your backyard, huh?
Heck yeah.
I think that's the prison right over there. See it?
Let me see.
The bricks.
Oh, okay.
That's the prison. Oh, that is a view, huh?
Say hi.
As you can tell, it's pretty darn windy up here.
Wow.
It's got to be 30, 40 mile an hour winds, I would imagine. Not really sure.
I'll stand up here.
Don't blow off, honey. As long as you're dressed, though, it's
We're
warm.
good. Hand warmers, 4 of them. I'm good to go.
All right, let's get back on that trail.
Let's get back.
We're still at that view, and I just wanted to show you what the cliffs look like that we were just on. It's pretty cool, you know. There's a mountain climbing woman right there.
I'm stuck in the berry tree.
Look at all the berries from I don't know if it's a cedar or a juniper. I don't know, but they all came off of this tree. We got more cliffs coming up down the way there, so let's hit it. It's a pretty cool place. I believe the tunnels come this way too. Underneath there. You staying warm?
Yes.
Got your hand warmers in?
Yes.
What do you like most about hiking?
Well, I like that it's different every time. I love it. I love it with you. I love the views. It's awesome.
To clear your mind
Yes, it does.
in the weeks,
Tranquility.
stressful
Yep.
weeks of
You
work.
think of nothing.
You really don't.
No. and it's quality time with us because we're retired.
You think we are.
Yeah.
Maybe in your head we are.
Yeah.
But we're really not. A few more years.
How far have we gone?
I don't know. We're about halfway, I think.
Okay.
Let's see. That wind is just howling, huh?
Yes. Do you hear it?
I hear it. You don't have to yell.
Well, yeah, they can't hear me over the wind.
I think they can hear you.
I don't think so. Testing, testing.
Yeah, we're about halfway there. No, not even. We got a little more. We're almost at our elevation gain now, so.
Okay.
All right. Let's keep trucking on.
Yes.
Yeah. Little fire pit. Benches. Assuming they're benches, they're not a windbreak because the
Right.
wind all comes from that way,
I know.
you know. I don't know if you, well, I guess you can because there is campsites on this trail.
Oh, there is?
Yeah. That's where we're going to end our adventure today, is on at a campsite. Well,
What's the name of the campsite?
Primitive.
Well, that's attractive. Okay.
I don't know. It just says Primitive Campsite.
Did you bring the marshmallows?
No. I think primitive means there's like no shelter.
Oh.
You know, they have shelters on there and stuff.
Gotcha.
But look at all these rocks. I forget what there was a name for them. It's like the same ones up at Mount Tom. The type of rock it is, some kind of volcanic rock. Basalt. That is it. Jeez, you're so smart.
I know.
Very good. All right, we got a few miles to go. Let's get back on the trail.
Woo.
Just like that, the wind is gone. Thanks for letting me know that. What would I do without you? My girl.
Yes.
This is our turn back point.
Yes.
So it's actually like 5 miles. This is, the app is never right.
No.
It's never right.
No, it's like 2.5 miles out, 2.5 miles back.
Yeah, and the app said the total was 3.7.
Oh.
So that ain't right.
Nope.
We're going like almost 5.
Right.
You know. So.
Yeah, so this was fun. And this is the camp site of
Primitive.
primitive people. Or anyone who,
Primitive people. You're so goofy.
well, anybody that wants to be primitive can come out here. No bathrooms, no fire pit, but you have a good time. Yeah.
Pretty cool area.
Yep.
No bears.
No bears.
No bears today.
But that's okay with me. It was a good hike. It was fun.
It's pretty chilly.
Yeah, walking along the ridge, it was just so windy. It was crazy. I got an ice cream headache because of the wind going through my eyes.
It was. At one point, my eye was like
I know.
swollen like pressure.
So we're
As
gonna.
long as the wind didn't hit your skin, you're fine.
Yep. We're gonna round up and head back, and we'll see you at the end.
Alrighty.
The trees are talking.
Are they?
Yep.
What are they saying?
I don't know.
You don't speak their language?
No.
Oh, outside. Shiver me timbers.
Yep.
Feel that sun.
I know. Feels good.
Watch out. Watch out. Well, this is the end of our day. We decided to come to Newgate Prison here. Put my wife into stocks. You've been a bad girl.
I've been very bad.
Yeah, imagine being out here all night like that.
That's horrible.
This is old Newgate Prison. First chartered copper mine in the United States and first state prison in the United States. We were up there on that ridge, way up there. Can't really see. I don't know if you could zoom in way up there. That's where we were, way up there.
Yep. You can see this place.
Yeah, you can see it pretty good from up there. Yeah.
All right.
Here we go.
We're done with our hike, and
We're
it
done
was
with our
wicked
hike.
fun.
It was fun.
Yeah,
It was chilly.
very
It was
cold.
probably felt like about 15 degrees out with the wind chill.
Not too bad now.
Not too bad now. We're down in the valley now.
Yeah.
So you can see the valleyway and the hills in the background.
Yep.
But
All
it was
right.
fun.
It was wicked fun.
We're gonna go get a hot chocolate.
Yes.
So I hope everyone liked this video.
Yep. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.
You say that every time.
I know.
Has anybody done it yet?
No.
Maybe someday.
Yes.
Maybe someday.
You will.
Alrighty, we'll see you on the next one.
Tune in and break away. Forget our fear of what comes after.